Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of on-demand printing with a focus on socks. That's right, we're talking about the latest and greatest in sock printing technology. This newly upgraded sock printer equipped with a visual positioning system that allows for precise and accurate printing. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that this printer can automatically skip the heels and toes of socks, ensuring a seamless and professional finish every time. Plus, it can handle colors other than white, giving you endless possibilities for customization. Let's take a closer look at how this visual positioning system works. Using advanced technology, the printer scans the sock and identifies the exact placement for the design. This ensures that the print is perfectly aligned and centered, eliminating any room for error. After scanning, it will automatically skip the red area and will not print color on the sock toe, heel, and sock opening. I've been using this sock printer for my business, and I have to say it's been a game changer. The visual positioning system has saved me so much time and effort, and the quality of the prints is top-notch. My customers are always impressed with the results, and it's really helped set my business apart. It's clear that this sock printer is a must-have for anyone in the printing business. Its visual positioning system, combined with its ability to handle a variety of colors, makes it a versatile and professional tool. Whether you're a small business owner, a promotional products company, or just someone looking to add a personal touch to their sock collection, this printer is sure to exceed your expectations. And there you have it, the latest and greatest in on-demand sock printing. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more industry insights and product highlights.